Welcome back everyone. This is Courage Mathematics Academy. I'll be solving some past questions. So you watch this video to the end and learn how solutions to some questions are gotten. The first question is, find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x multiplying 2 minus x. The x-axis, x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. This is the solution. The area bounded by the curve given by this function is the integral of the function, that's x times 2 minus x dx, from 0 to 2. The limit are 0 and 2. So let's integrate. Let's expand this function. We have x times 2 is 2x, then x times x is x squared dx. So let's integrate this. I will integrate 2x, I'll get 2x squared over 2. By the law of integration, I will add 1 to the power and divide by 1 plus the power. Minus, integrate x cubed, that will be, integrate x squared, sorry, that will be x cubed all over 3. Add 1 to this power, here become 3. Then divide by the resulting power from 0 to 2. From 0 to 2. So that simplifies to 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. Then minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 2. Plug in 2 first. 2 here, that is 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. Minus 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. Minus, let's plug in 0. Plug in 0 here, 0 squared is still 0. Minus, plug in 0 here, 0 cubed is still 0. And 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0. Obviously, this part of it disappears because it turns to 0. So we have 4 minus 8 over 3. 4 minus 8 over 3. So let's simplify that fraction. 3 times 4 is 12. Minus 8 over 3. 12 minus 8 is 4 over 3. So the area will be 4 over 3 squared unit. That is option C. Let's see the second question. The second question says, the binary operation is defined on R, the set of real numbers, by x operation y equal to root xy for all x and y members of R. If x operation 2 operation 8 equal to 6, find x. Okay, let's see that. We are given that x operation y is equal to the square root of x times y. We want to evaluate, we want to get x given this. So I'll first of all look for the value of 2 operation 8. 2 operation 8 will be equal to this. X will be replaced by 2, y replaced by 8. So in this bracket I will have 2 times 8. 2 times 8. This is what? Root 16. And that will be 4. So this reduces to as x operation 2 operation 8 will now be equal to x operation 4 because 2 operation 8 is equal to 4. Now let's look for the value of x operation 4 using this definition. X operation 4 is equal to x will still be x, y will now be 4. So in this right hand side I have root x is still x, that is x times, instead of writing y I'll write 4, x times 4, that will be what? Root 4x. And they said that x operation 4, which was x operation 2 operation 8, is equal to 6. That means root 4x is equal to what? 6. Root 4x equal to 6. I'm looking for x, so I will square both sides. Root 4x all squared is equal to 6 squared. The square cancels the square root. 4x is now equal to what? 6 squared is 36. I will divide both sides by 4 so that x will be equal to 36 over 4. That gives me 9. So x is equal to 9. And that falls under option C. Let us take the third question. The third question says, the common ratio of the exponential sequence, that is a GP, log x, log x squared, log x to the power of 4, is Let's get the common ratio of this sequence. In a geometric progression, the common ratio, which is R, is equal to the second term over the first term, and this is equal to the third term over the second term, just like that. So here, R will be equal to, the second term is log x squared, and the first term is log x, which is also equal to log x to the power of 4 divided by log x to the power of 2. So this is it. Log x squared by the law of logarithm is equal to 2 log x. That is, this power of 2 here, we multiply log x all over log x. So log x cancels log x. All we have next is 2. So we now have 2 as the common ratio. That falls as option B. The fourth question says, if 7x plus 5 over x plus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 1, find b. In fact, the simplest way to get this is what I'm going to do now. B is equal to the limit of 7x plus 5 all over x plus 2. As x approaches, I have x minus 1 here. I'll set it to what? 0. So that x is equal to 0 plus 1. That is 1. So x is equal to 1. So the limit of this as x approaches 1. Anywhere I seek x, I'm going to write 1. So this is equal to 7 times 1 plus 5 all over 1 plus 2. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So the value of b is 4, option A. The fifth question says, if sec squared theta plus tan squared theta equal to 3, then the value of the angle theta is, look at it, sec squared theta plus tan squared theta is equal to 3. Now recall that sec squared theta is equal to tan squared theta plus 1. So I'm going to replace sec squared theta with tan squared theta plus 1. So I have tan squared theta plus 1 plus tan squared theta, as we have before, equal to 3. So that tan squared theta plus tan squared theta is equal to 2 tan squared theta. Then this is equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that's 2. So 2 tan squared theta is equal to 2. If I divide both sides by 2, tan squared theta is equal to 1. Good. Now I'm looking for theta. I'll take the square root of both sides to eliminate this square. So taking square root of both sides, I have root tan squared theta is equal to square root of what? 1. So tan theta is equal to, the square root of 1 is 1. So what will be theta? I'll take the tan inverse of both sides. So that the tan inverse of tan theta is equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse cancels tan, theta is left. The tan inverse of 1 is 45 degrees. So theta is 45 degrees. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Tell your friends about this channel so that they too can come and feel the simplicity of mathematics right here for me. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.